I always like to go try to find different species of fish and test our stuff up against things that we normally don't fish against. So, you know, taking a bass rod and catching a tiger fish and saltwater rods and catching, you know, things we're not supposed to be catching on the tackle. It's always fun. And, you know, Africa is a place that, you know, everybody says you can't ever come to Africa once. You always want to come back.
I'm here at managing the Zulu Elephant Lodge. It's a family business and only a small little lodge where we give into personal attention to the clients here, taking them out for game drives in the Chobe National Park and seeing wildlife. And we're doing as well a little bit of fishing for certain requests for clients as well. And we are, like I said, small little business, giving the opportunity for people to experience the Chobe National Park.
I was introduced to the sport of fishing at a very young age, and I knew that this was something that was going to stick with me forever. Now, as time has traveled forward, I now own and operate a worldwide fishing brand, Favorite Fishing, that caters to the future of fishing. Alongside traveling to meetings and being overly busy, the most important thing about Favorite Fishing is still getting to be out and see people and to see kids, and to see fishing not only as a sport and a hobby, but something that you can possibly bring with you around the world. We got out here in this park and we have seen absolutely everything. We've been chasing hippos. We've just got this big group of elephants just walked down to start watering. We was up here looking at some monkeys, and then all these elephants came in. So we're going to try to ease up here and get as close as we can. I'm just mind blown with all the animals. There's crocodiles. There's everything we wanted to see. We've seen in almost an hour and a half. So we'll see if we can get a little tighter on these elephants.
My name is Movetime. I'm a professional guide, so we're just gonna go to the park and look for the lions, because I heard that you are very interested mostly in one of the cats. Alright.
We just ran over something and this tire's going flat like now. What are we gonna do about this?
Oh, change it very fast.
Change it very fast.
We only got half a donut.
Okay. Jack? What do you think? Must have hit something sharp, huh?
Yeah.
You see anything sticking out of the tire? We'll go over here, Jack. He's going to change the tire. Out of there.
It's a good thing it happened here because we'll change it before we go into the park. You don't want to get out with the lions and the leopards while we're changing the tire in the park, so that's a good thing. Now we just need to find an extra tire so we don't have the same problem.
Kids going to school.
Yeah, the giraffe is easier for them to see the lion as far distance because of their height. We call them a group of, it's a tower. Right? One bullet is enough for a lion, one kick. And the way they walk, we call it getaway. Because those legs on the left, they go together, and the one on the right, they go together. But when they run, they just run like same like a horse. Right.
Saw a lot of giraffes, saw a lot of neat stuff that we haven't got to see, so awesome morning. We're gonna go check the passports back in, get stamped, get on the boat, get us something cold to drink, head back to camp, get the fishing rods, and we're gonna go try to find some tiger fish. That's our goal for this evening, so we're gonna go recharge and head up the river. Alright, I'm gonna get some of these small. If we get up here on the perch and the tilapia, I think I can get them to bite some of these spoons.
Just rub one of these on everything and you'll be fine.
A little slanchi sauce. You know what? Let's rig up one of those spinning rods with the soft plastic.
Okay.
I'll throw that on one. I have no idea. I've never caught anything. And it's gonna be so dirty in there.
Where?
The water's so murky. The bale is under the bale.
Grab that.
I'm pumped though, dude.
I'm too.
Oh, lost everything he had. So we'll find these big tilapia. They got these big perch. We got our goldfish today is going to be the tiger fish. I'm really excited about that. We'll grab some catfish and whatnot. I don't even know if they know what all's in here. Like, I'm sure they do, but like the names of them or whatever, I have no idea. We got to make sure those freaking hippos don't flip our boat over. That's going to be something.
We got the right colors, that's the most important. The colors are there, so, and it's like I said, low water. Water is slowly starting to rise, so it's dirt in the water, so colors most important. Okay. And low level, not deep in water.
High sun?
High sun, because we need the colors to be out on top, so the fish can see it from the bottom as it flows from the top.
So as far as the big perch and the tilapia and all that, are they going to be in the shade? We flip to
They're going to be in the shade and by the reed line, so we're going to trawl close to the reeds, and then we're going to cast at certain places and points as well.
So they're a schooling fish, so once we find them, then we'll throw at them.
That's what we're going to do.
Okay. Very good. Well, let's go get on it.
All right, we're ready
Hopefully
to go.
We have more luck finding fish than we did cats.
Yeah.
We're getting ready. It's getting fishy right now, boys. It's getting fishy. That's a good fish right there. 2 pound day.
It's fine.
Where is the rifle? Oh, we got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. It's the most sketchy pontoon fishing trip I've ever done.